Hello, welcome to Technology Platform. So today we are going to see type versus is instance. So how it is working, and we can see it now with simple examples. Let me open idle now. Okay. So now first we can see type. Let's see now. I'm just typing a variable here. So why we are using type? So the type is like we are identifying and it should be display like which type it is, whether it is string data type or numeric data type or datetime data type. Like that it is used to identify the data type. For that we are using type. And instance, we have to check like we are passing some tuple values and we are checking that whether it is tuple or not, whether it is list or not, whether it is set or not, whether it is dictionary or not. It is return like true or false. For the is instance type, it will display like whether it is string or numeric or data type. Let's see now. Str, this is string a. Now print, this is str, it should display. Now print type of str, it should display like class and then string. See, so this is called string data type. Because of that it is displayed like that. So now let me pass it integer value, same str 10, like 100, print of type of str. So now you can see like this is integer. Now if you want to see the date time, how it works. For the date time, like import um, from date time, import date time. First we are importing it, and then print of, let's see, str, and then date time dot now. If you print this, it will display the time. Now I want to find out the format. Now see, type of str. So this is date with the time. So because of that it is displaying like this. Now if I am passing like uh date, let's see now, import date time str, date time dot date dot today. Let me type like this, print str, it is only display the date. Now print of str, type of str. So earlier it is date and time, now it is only date. Now if you are passing like tuple, let me type it str tuple. Tuple means it should come with parenthesis, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, this one copy I'm just printing here. Now let's see, print of str tuple. So just use type of, it will display like this is tuple class. If you want to use it set, type it like this. Set means this kind of bracket. Now see, print of type of str set. Now you can see like this is set. Okay, you can got it right. Now what is the purpose of instance? You can see it here, everything is displayed like this. But now is instance why we are using, let's see. I'm just using str, same tuple, this equal to, I'll use it like this. Okay, now this is tuple. I want to check whether this is tuple or not. That I want to check. Let's see, print of use is instance open bracket pass this variable tuple comma the keyword is tuple. This is the keyword I want to check. Let's see. But the same thing I want to see, like instead of tuple I'm saying that the str tuple is a set or not. I want to check it. It should return false because it is not a set, it is tuple, so it is written false. If you want to use dictionary, we'll see, right? So dictionary, name with key and value, that is called dictionary. So open bracket you can say like name colon python, and then it's enough. Or we can say like chapter 10, like that I'm writing here now. Okay, something is missing here. Oh, sorry. So it's quotes I'm missing. Let me type it. This one is missing because this is string, so it is something like this. Okay, now I want to type print is instance str dict comma this is dictionary or not. I want to check. True, this is a dictionary. So that's right. Now the same thing, if you want to pass it like I'm just saying that this is tuple, then it should be display false, right? So this is what the difference between type versus instance. We'll see you in the next session. Bye, thank you.